In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a friend quest on Duolingo. Let's walk through the exact flow so you can team up with a buddy and turn your practice into a friendly challenge. First, open the Duolingo app on your device. A quick tip before you begin. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that the app is updated to the latest version. Updates often improve how social features like friend quests appear and work. Once the app is open, look along the bottom navigation bar and tap your avatar. This takes you to your profile area, which is where Duolingo keeps all your social tools, including your friends list. If you're new to the social side of the app, this is the hub you'll come back to whenever you want to connect with people or check progress and shared activities. On your profile, tap Add friends, then tap Invite friends. Friend quests require you to have at least one friend connected to your account, so this is the key step. If you already have friends on Duolingo, you're set. If not, sending an invite is the fastest way to get someone on board. When the share sheet opens, choose how you want to send your invite. You can use a text message for a quick, direct link or tap more options to pick from other apps on your phone. You might see suggestions from messaging apps, social platforms, or your device's sharing tools. Pick the method you and your friend use most often so they'll actually see and accept the invite. Once they tap the link and connect, they'll appear in your friends list automatically. Next, head to the leaderboards by tapping the shield icon. This shield is the home for leagues and social competition. It's also where Duolingo surfaces many team-based and friend-related challenges, so getting comfortable with this section helps you spot new opportunities right away. If you don't see competitive features yet, complete 7 lessons to unlock the leaderboards. Duolingo asks for a little activity before enabling competition. You can do new lessons or review ones you've already studied. Both count. Short sessions still move the needle, and spacing them out can help you stay consistent without burning out. Once you've added a friend and unlocked the leaderboards, Duolingo will start showing friend quest opportunities when they're available. Keep an eye on the shield area and your home screen cards. If nothing appears right away, give it a bit of time, make sure both of you have updated apps, and keep completing lessons. With your friend connected and the leaderboards active, you'll be ready to jump into your next friend quest as soon as it pops up.